Hello class, today we'll be making an abstract art composition. Please take out a marker or a pencil. If you don't have a marker, you can just use a pencil. And please take out crayons. If you don't have crayons, you can use markers. If you have crayons and you want to use markers, that's okay too. I'll be using crayons. You need to draw lines and you need to color in some spaces. Move all of your supplies out of the way once you have them out. All of your colors are to the side. Nothing's rolling around. For bonus points, you can have your colors in rainbow order. I'll give you bonus dojo points if I see your colors in rainbow order. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. I don't have indigo, I just have blue and violet. Black and brown go at the end. Okay, here we go. Abstract art. Abstract art is art that doesn't have to look real. Let's start. The first thing, please draw a big box on your paper. A frame. Make it as big as you can get it. Then you take your marker or pencil and take one wall, one side, and put your marker right there on one side and draw a line out. It looks like cursive writing, a curvy line that loops, and draw it out and make sure it bumps into another wall and then stop. Draw a big curvy line and then stop. After that, you can use intersecting lines to cross through it. Draw another line that crosses through it. And then I'm going to make another line, 3 lines. 3 lines is a good number. One curvy line, one line that chops through your design, and then another line. And then just color your spaces in. The whole point is to come up with a title for your work of art after you're done. I'm not going to come up with a title for mine yet. I'm going to wait till I'm finished. If you finish early, you can make another abstract design. You can use any colors you want. I think I'm going to stick with red. I don't know. I didn't pick my colors out first. If you want, you can go with all warm colors, red, orange, and yellow. You can go with all cool colors, blue. What else? Green and purple are the cool colors. I'm using all warm colors here. I'm coloring in all my spaces. I'm staying in the lines nice and neat. That's all we're doing. This is all we're doing. An abstract composition. Abstract art is art that does not have to look real. It just uses lots of color, shape, and line. When you present your work today, when you're sharing your work, please use the colors, shape, and lines, vocabulary words. Color, shape, and line. This is my abstract composition. I'm using many different colors, not just warm and not just cool. I wonder if I'll see any pictures in mine. Like I wanted this to be a little bit of grass, but now it's too late unless I flip it this way. So it's like maybe you can see different things in your work. Mine just looks like some balloons. I might call it balloons. I'm still working. Are you still working? Color in all the spaces. You can use many different colors. Color in all the spaces. Abstract art. Abstract art, it doesn't have to look like anything real, but sometimes when artists give their work titles, they name it after numbers, they named it after colors. Like I can call this one Blue with Balloons. Blue with Balloons. But I'm going to keep on going. I think I do want to use my black. I think I want all of this to be black. Wish I could color it in with marker. I think I will color mine with mixed media is when you mix mediums together. See if I can find my black marker. Mixed media. Mixed media is when you mix together different art supplies. Miss French is using crayon. Now she's using marker too. Yep, it's okay. We can mix our media today. Let's see. I want to put some marker on top of this crayon. It is okay to mix crayons and markers. Color in all your spaces. Color in all your spaces nice and neatly. When you're sharing your work, which vocabulary words can we use? Abstract art, lines, shape, colors. I used lots of line. I used lines to form shapes that look curved. Wow, let's see. I want to finish right here, but I want to stop right here, but I think this should be colored in. If this is colored in, this will be blank, and so will this, and that will look really nice. But I don't want to use black again because I actually want to just stop right here. I'm going to stop right here. So when you're finished, write your name at the baseline and also add your title. Miss French. And I'm going to call mine Sea of Balloons. Angry, just Sea of Balloons. Not Angry Sea of Balloons. Sea of Balloons. Sea of Traveling Balloons. Hi, my name is Miss French, and this is my abstract art composition. I used many colors at first. I ended up using red, orange, yellow, and green, and blue. Once I noticed this big blue here, I instantly thought of water underneath the horizon line. So I titled it Because of the Movement. I titled it Sea and not just Pool or Puddle of Balloons Traveling because they look like they're moving diagonally across the surface of the composition. That's my abstract composition. Abstract art is art that does not have to look real. Thank you. If you would like to share your work, please raise your hand in Zoom now. If you don't know how to raise your hand in Zoom, you might have time at the end to share. If you want to share your work, you're going to get 5 dojo points for using vocabulary words abstract art, color, line, and shape. Thank you.